everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. So today I got in the mail my Knotty Knickers. As you know, I love this subscription. I mean, as women, we forget about ourselves. Most of us anyway. You know, when you're a mom, you're usually buying stuff for your kids. This is one of my favorite subscriptions because we get some panties. So Knotty Knickers is a subscription that you can get here in Canada or in the US. 3 pairs of panties cost me $12 and change every month. You can get more than 3 pairs. I know they have like bralette sets. They have socks. You tell them what size you want. You know, if you get a package one month and a size is either too small or too big, go back in and change your size. It's really, really simple. And I do believe I had read them say as well that, you know, if you only wanted cotton, to send them that email and they'll do their best to make sure that you only get cotton panties, stuff like that, right? So I get the nice package with it, which is, you know, cutesy panties. You'll see it in a minute. But there are 3 different subscriptions you can get. You can get Knotty, which is all thongs. You can get Nice, which is cutesy, regular panties. Or you can get Knotty and Nice. And I believe they're $3.99 a pair. I get 3 pairs, like I said. It's $12 and change monthly for me. And they come in these cute little bags like this. It says Knotty Knickers and Get Knotty on the back. Love it. So my first package is this cute little gray pair. And I only just realized last month that I can open it up right here on the bottom instead of cutting off the top like I used to do. These are cute. Look at that. Aren't they cute? And I get asked this all the time as well. Are they sturdy? Yes, they are very sturdy. I haven't had any problems with these panties. I think I've been getting this subscription now for about 6 months. Never had any issues. They're sturdy, perfect in the wash. You know, love them. Love, love, love them. And it's the perfect treat because, you know, how often when you're my age do you actually go out and buy panties for yourself? Usually I wait for my mom to give it to me Christmas time, right? Now I get them every month. So these are really cute. I love the little bows right here. Really, really, really cute. Like the color. Then we have these ones for Halloween. Where do I open it up? Happy Halloween, everybody. Is anyone going to a Halloween party? What are you dressing up as? I don't think we are. I don't think we're doing anything. Oh, I like these. So these are really nice, and you can tell, I can already tell that I'm really going to like them. They're going to be really comfortable. So it's, you know, the black and white on the top and the lace orange, you know, on the bottom and the lace orange on the top. Very, very sturdy and comfy. I can already tell that I'm going to love these panties. All right, and the last pair is black. Cool. Oh, I'm gonna like these too. Oh, look at that with the little orange bow. Isn't that cute? And it's what kind of material is this? It almost feels like a spandex material. Spandex and polyamide. Love it. Love, love, love. Oh, like, I'm going to love these. These feel so comfortable. They're so soft. They're almost silky, but they're spandex material. But aren't they cute? They are so cute. Love it. I'm going to leave their link to their website down below. It's not my own personal link. I don't have a code. Like I said, 3 pairs of panties are $12 and change. I mean, where else can you get that, right? You know what I mean? 3 pairs of nice panties like this, 12 bucks. I don't know where you can do that. But yeah, so that's my Knotty Knickers. I also wanted to say I had my live yesterday. I bet you I got lipstick on my teeth. I had my live yesterday, Wednesday. Today is Thursday. And I usually have my live the last Friday of every month. Not realizing that next week, the Friday next week is going to be November 1st. So the last Friday of the month would be tomorrow. But I had a live yesterday. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you want a live tomorrow night? Hubby is working. I'm not doing anything this weekend. Should I have it on Sunday? Again, hubby is working. I'll be home. You know, it's not messing up my time. I'm available. Or I can do it on Friday, November 1st. So let me know in the comments down below, because I usually try to do a live on Wednesday nights as well. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you want it this Friday? Do you want it on Sunday? Or do you want it live next Friday? Yeah. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? And what do you think about our panties? Aren't they cute? Let me know, do you get Knotty Knickers? This is the month of October. And I believe the way it works is the day that you sign up, that's the day that they take out the money out of your account. So I signed up, I think, on the 19th, and that's when the money comes out of my account, right? But these are adorable. I'm going to love these black ones. All right, everyone, don't forget to like my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. And also, if you're new to my channel, I have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway happening. It's going to be like, I can't find it in my, if I can find it, I'll leave it here at the end of my video. But it's it was in July, I think I did it, so it's hard to find. But if you go back to like my 20th video or something, it usually is at the end of my videos. But if I can find it, I'm going to leave the link here for you. So if you're new to my channel, look for the video, sign up to my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and remember that there's some surprises in that box as well that y'all don't know anything about. Bye, everybody. Tomorrow's Friday. Yay. Love you.